Plus 2 Max, Chapter 3, Theory of Equations. Exercise 3.1, question number 9. If P and Q are the roots of the equation Lx square plus Nx plus N equal to 0, இங்கே ரெண்டு இடத்துலையுமே n தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Show that square root of P by Q plus square root of Q by P plus square root of N by L equal to 0. Given equation is this one, you have to show that this one. தமிழில் Lx square plus Nx plus N equal to 0 என்னும் சமன்பாட்டின் மூலங்கள் P மற்றும் Q எனில் square root of P by Q plus square root of Q by P plus square root of N by L equal to 0 என காட்டுக. Given Lx square plus Nx plus N equal to 0, equation number 1. Compare with the general equation Ax square plus Bx plus C equal to 0, equation number 2. For comparing these two equations, you get A equal to L, B equal to N, C equal to N. Given P comma Q be the roots of equation number 1, then S1 is equal to sum of the roots. P plus Q is equal to minus B by A. You know that already. So here minus, what is B? B is here N, A is here L. Therefore, P plus Q is equal to minus N by L. Equation number 3. S2 is equal to product of the roots equal to C by A. That is P into Q is equal to C by A. That is equal to N by L. That implies PQ is equal to N by L. Equation number 4. Adding 3 and 4, you get P plus Q plus PQ is equal to 0. Right hand side see here. In the equation number 3 minus L by L. In the equation number 4 plus N by L. Cancelling these two, you get 0. If you are adding these two, you get 0. So the simple technique is divided by square root of PQ on both sides implies P by square root of PQ, plus Q by square root of PQ plus PQ by square root of PQ is equal to 0 by square root of PQ, but 0 by square root of PQ is equal to 0. Now you have to write it in the P in the form of root P into root P, Q in the form of root Q into root Q, PQ in the form of root of PQ into root of PQ. So you have to write it in the form root P into root P by root P into root Q plus root Q into root Q by root P into root Q plus square root of PQ into square root of PQ by square root of PQ. Now cancelling root P, then you get root of P by root of Q plus here root Q cancelled, you get root of Q by root of P plus here root of PQ cancelled, you get root of PQ is equal to 0. So you have to write it root P by root Q is nothing but square root of P by Q plus then square root of Q by P plus by using equation number 4, you see here equation number 4 is PQ is equal to N by L. If you are taking square root on both sides, square root of PQ is equal to square root of N by L equal to 0 by 4. Do you know who invented geometry? Euclid, 3rd century BC. Euclid. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுனாக்க ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். Dr.G.Balaji.